Okay, so we were discussing this topology.
Yeah.
We have brought a switch and a PC, and we connected the switch via console cable.
Yeah.
And we said that in switch, if we see the switch physically, we have uh, this view in which this is the front end view where we have ports, different ports, and these two ports have separate name.
Mm.
What was that?
That was to connect between switches. I
Yeah,
forgot.
yeah, yeah. And the name was uplink ports.
Uplink.
Okay, so they are uplink. Uplink means that their link speed is up
Okay.
in contrast of these ports.
Mm.
Okay, so these ports are a fast Ethernet. Fast Ethernet means 100 Mbps.
100 MB.
So these uplink ports can be 1 Gbps.
Mm.
And we have the backside of switch here. This is the console port on which
Console.
we are going to connect the console cable
Yeah.
and the power cable.
Okay.
So in real world switch is like this. We don't have any config tab on the switch. We don't have any CLI kind of thing available on the switch directly. So to access CLI, we need to connect a console cable, and we need a CLI software or a terminal software on the PC. So here we connected the cable. Now if we look into the PC,
Sir, I
we
have
have,
wonder. If
yeah.
we have many switches, we need to configure each and every switch by connecting to the PC like this.
Yeah, and I told you that for the first time,
First time.
it is just important for the first time. But once the net device is configured, we can continue configuring it remotely. Means we can have solutions in which we can configure multiple devices from a single user interface.
Okay.
Okay, so here we go. We have the desktop of the PC, and here we have terminal software. So this terminal software can be PuTTY, Secure CRT, TerraTerm, any software. And when we connect through this, we see this type of interface where we are seeing CLI command line interface. So what this means that we are
We are configuring.
connected to switch. Okay, we are configuring it. And here, as soon as we press enter, we log in into the switch, and the first prompt we get, it is the name switch host name, and this is the prompt. This prompt is of user mode, and in user mode we can have limited keywords working. So it is just like a guest mode. You can't do anything, but we can use these commands like show clock. So it is showing the date time. So we can just display things, but we can't configure anything. So to configure anything, we have to type enable. Enable takes us to the privilege mode.
Okay.
Privilege mode is the mode where we can do some configuration, not all, but some configuration, and we have more privileges and we have more keywords to play with. So here we do that. We configured the date and time of the switch. So we set clock set, and after clock set, what we should do?
Show switch.
No, no, no. We should press question mark.
Question.
Okay, every time we stuck somewhere and we need to know that what should come next, we need to take help from question mark. So the question mark is telling us that here you have to provide the current time. So we provide the current time, it's 15 08 and 34, for example. Here now it's asking day of the month. So today date is 30 June. 30, and next it's asking for the month. Okay, we write the month in alphabets because it's shows us that month is should be written in alphabet, but date is written in this range, numeric range.
Okay.
And 30 June and the year is 2025 and question mark. So when we press question mark, now we have CR.
Yeah.
This CR means
It is done.
it is done. The command is completed. We don't need to configure anything else from now on. And we don't have any keywords. Okay. We can't do anything. Just CR carriage return is the full form of the CR carriage return, but it means that it is end of line.
Carriage return.
As soon as we enter it, we have configured the date and time. We set the clock. Now we can check the clock, show clock. So this show clock is showing us the updated date and time. Okay.
Okay.
So that's what we have done right till now. Now next, what we have to do, we need to configure a little bit more things, but on the privilege mode, we have very little configuration available, so we can't play any more on this privilege mode. We have to level up the game, and to level up the game, we need to type this keyword configure terminal. And there is one more thing I want to clear, that the keywords here are not case sensitive. Means you can type either small, either caps on, however you type them, they are going to work. So if I type C in capital or type C in small, it doesn't matter. Okay, so keywords are not case sensitive. So I type configure terminal. When I type configure terminal, here we have a information came up that configuration commands. Now you can enter configuration commands, one per line. And if we want to get back from this mode, we need to press Control Z. Okay, so Control Z can be used, as well as we can use exit, and we can use end. So all these things we are going to take back us to the privilege mode.
Okay.
So from
Now it
privilege
is in
mode,
configuration mode.
yeah, we are in configuration mode. This is called global configuration mode, or in short, global mode.
Okay.
So we are in global mode or global configuration mode. So now in configuration mode, we can configure everything. This is where the administrator mode came up. So here we can configure many things. For example, we want to change the name of the switch. So we can type host name. Okay, now I type host and this is completed. How does this happen? I press tab on my laptop, tab key. So tab is used for word completion. And similarly, only if I type host, it is going to work. Why it is going to work? If I check host and question mark, so host is
Host name.
host name, okay? But if I, for example, press H and question mark, even H is host name also.
Okay.
So if I type H and type any name, for example, Cisco, so it knows that H has only one keyword, host name, so it is going to work.
Okay. So that doesn't matter, the syntax.
Yeah, but there might be multiple keywords.
Ah,
For example, I change the host name.
ah,
Now I am using B and question mark. So B has two words.
oh,
So
ah,
now if I type B and go ahead, it is
ah,
going to send me
ambiguous.
error ambiguous command.
Oh,
Okay, so we
ah,
don't need to write the complete keyword
ah,
every time. We
ah,
can write starting three or four keywords,
ah.
sorry, three or four letters,
And
and
then, yeah.
if that three or four letter combination take us to a place where
Ah,
no other keyword is available, which is made up of these letters,
ah,
then we can press tab.
okay.
Okay, if I just press B and press tab,
Ah,
nothing will happen
oh,
because B has
boot and banner.
boot and banner, two
Mm,
keywords.
mm,
Okay,
yes.
so if I type BA, then
Ah,
it is going to complete because
ah,
BA
because
only has banner.
banner. Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
after banner, I have this keyword MOTD. Okay, what is
Oh,
that? It is saying that set message of the day banner. Okay,
mm,
this message of the day is uh, like if someone log into this device, he is
ah,
going to see this message.
ah,
So
okay.
I type MOTD and
Ah,
then question mark. Now it's saying that uh, banner text where C is delimiting character means type C
ah,
space banner text space C.
ah,
Okay, so we
okay.
can line basically no, C is not there. Use here hash and we type welcome to Cisco switch configuration.
Ah,
Okay,
okay.
so what it this going to do?
It
And if we press question mark, we have CR
ah,
means this combined is completed. So it
yes.
is going to set a banner
Ah,
and that banner will be displayed when the user login.
okay.
So we have to get back to the privilege mode. So
Mm,
told you that to get back privilege mode, we have
um,
and exit
yeah. Enter.
and control Z.
Okay.
Okay, we have three
Control.
options. Usually we use control Z because it is easier.
Ah, in the keyboard.
Yeah, in the keyboard, control Z.
Okay.
Control plus Z. These two keys combination.
Ah,
Now we have back to this privilege mode
release.
and this line came up.
Hmm.
What this line tells that there is a log written. Okay, there is a log generated
Ah,
of level 5. Level 5 is information
ah,
and this information said that someone configured the switch from the console. Okay,
oh,
means someone attached the console cable
ah,
and go through this configuration mode and
ah,
configure something and now the user
ah,
has leave the configuration.
ah,
So this log is saved in the switch right now.
ah, okay. Okay.
So whenever someone configure this switch, the
Ah,
log will be saved.
ah,
Okay. We
okay.
will discuss more about logs later.
Okay.
So let's go back to the previous level or mode.
Ah,
What was the mode?
privilege mode.
No, no, we are in privilege mode right
Okay,
now.
user.
So
User.
the user mode, exactly, user executive mode. For this, we can use disable,
Disable. Ah,
okay, by using enable, we come from user to privilege,
Privilege
and by using disable, we go back from privilege to user.
yes, sir. Okay.
Okay, but
Okay.
and there is another option. If we
Uh,
don't want to go back to user
uh,
and we directly want to log out
okay.
from here, because we don't need to go back to user, we need to just log out from here. We can type exit.
Okay.
So exit just get us log out.
Log out. But exit
So
in configure means we go back to
privilege mode.
privilege.
Exactly.
Okay.
There is no shortcut or keyword to log out from config mode directly.
Ah,
Okay. You
okay.
type Control Z, you press Control Z, you type exit, you type end. Everything is get you back to privilege mode.
Oh, okay, sir.
But from privilege mode, exit can log out.
Oh,
Uh, Now we press enter,
oh,
and here is our banner.
ah. Welcome to, yeah, banner we have given already.
Okay, so
Yeah,
this
okay.
is our banner. This is just to get familiar with the configuration and some basic configuration.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so we can set host name, we can change banner, and we can set clock.
Mm,
These type of basic configurations can be done.
yes.
Now
Okay.
let's get a little bit advanced. So I
Mm.
type EN, and if I press question mark, it
Mm.
says me that EN stands for enable only.
Enable.
There is no
Mm.
other keyword
Mm.
present. So if type
Okay.
enter,
Mm.
it's going to interpret that EN stands for enable. So
Mm.
it is going to execute EN
Oh.
as enable. So
Enable the previous one.
I don't need to type the complete keyword.
Ah,
Okay, I
okay.
usually do this so that you are not going to get confused
Ah,
that how EN is working. EN is
ah,
working because it is stands for enable, and there
okay.
is no other keyword present which is starting from EN.
Ah,
Now we have to go to global mode, conf t. Conf
mm.
t is enough. We don't need
Oh,
to type configure terminal.
ah,
Okay, we need
okay.
to remember that
Ah,
configure terminal is the keyword, but
ah,
we don't need to type every time it.
hold.
Now we are in configuration mode.
We need to
So
type only conf T and enter.
yes,
Okay.
because conf means configure, T means
T
terminal.
terminal. Yes.
Yeah, there is no other keyword similar starting from conf.
Ah, okay,
Okay,
sir. Okay,
so
sir.
this is enough.
Yes.
Now what do we do? Yeah, we set password.
Mm.
So basically what happened that I just press enter and
Ah,
log into the switch.
ah,
So this is not should be the case in real
ah,
scenario
ah,
that someone came, plug in the console cable,
ah,
and they are
just login.
going to enter in the switch or router or
Ah,
in the network device.
yes.
So what we can do, we can set up password.
Ah,
So we need to type line.
ah,
And if we press line and after that question mark, we have
ah,
three options.
ah,
Okay. But because we are connected through the console,
ah,
so we are going to use console.
line
And
console.
now it is asking for console port 0 to
Ah,
0 because there is a single console port in the device.
ah,
So its port number is 0.
zero.
And usually network devices port numbers starts from 0.
Ah,
Means the first port is 0, the second port is 1.
ah,
So when I
okay.
type line console 0,
Ah,
the prompt is change.
line console zero.
Okay, I type line console 0, prompt
Okay.
is config dash line.
Line. Okay.
So config dash line means that now I am configuring the switch.
Ah,
Sorry, I am configuring this specific line I selected, not the complete switch. So I am
okay.
configuring console port only.
Ah,
So only keywords word here, only keywords work here, which are related to console configuration.
ah,
Okay.
okay.
So what should I do? There are multiple keywords.
Ah, okay.
So what is our intention? Which keyword suitable
The
for our
password.
intention? The password.
Password.
Okay, we set the password. So
Okay.
for
So,
example, I set the password Cisco
ah,
and hit enter.
ah,
So there is no error. It means that password Cisco is configured.
okay.
Now I go back to the privilege mode
Ah,
using Control Z
okay.
and type exit to log out.
Ah,
And when I try to log in,
ah,
it
that's
is
it.
not asking me password.
Ah, ah,
Okay.
ah,
Why it is not asking me password? Because
ah,
when I set the password,
ah,
I need to force the switch that ask password while someone tries to log in.
okay.
So this keyword is also important. Means what I
Ah,
need to do, I need to do uh, two, uh, I need to configure two things,
ah,
password Cisco
ah,
and login.
login.
So login is important.
Ah,
If we don't type login, it is not going to ask the password.
ah,
Okay.
okay.
Now we type, no, sorry, now we press Control Z, exit, and now when we try to log in, it is asking us the password.
Okay.
Now I type CISCO Cisco. There is
Okay.
no static showing here, and
Ah,
it doesn't show in here. So
ah,
you have to trust me that I typed the password and it
ah,
was
okay.
wrong. Wrong. Now I've typed the correct password Cisco.
Ah,
Okay. So now I can log in
ah, okay.
after typing the proper password.
Ah,
So that's how we secure our device, the
ah,
login of to secure our device.
okay. Sir,
Now,
typing the
yeah,
password and only giving the command login, which set the login password.
yeah.
Okay.
So we need to configure these two.
Ah,
If we configure only says password, it is
ah,
not going to work. We
ah,
need to enforce it using login.
okay. What if we say we toggle the means
Means if you
Cisco?
type login first and then
Ah,
password,
yeah.
nothing
It
happens. It is
works.
going to work. Yeah.
Ah, okay, okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, what is the next step? Yeah, we are going to
Enable
conf
conflict.
and basically we have uh, enforced first layer security that no one can log in.
Ah,
But in some cases, for example, there is some internee or there is someone we need them to log in,
ah,
and in the user mode,
ah.
they can show what is happening in the switch, but we don't want them to enter into
Conflict.
this privilege mode.
Ah,
Okay, so if we want them to stay on this user mode, so we
okay.
provide them the login password. So if they can log in, they can enter in the privilege user mode.
Ah,
But we want them to restrict on the user mode. So what we do, we want to set a password from
oh,
entering user mode to privilege mode.
privilege mode. Okay.
So that password can be set by using the keyword enable, because by
Ah,
typing enable, we are going through user to privilege.
yeah.
So we set enable password.
Okay, sir, we cannot go right from user to config mode, no?
Yeah, we cannot. It is not possible.
Only through privilege mode.
Privilege mode, exactly.
Okay.
Privilege mode is very powerful mode. I am
Mm.
going to show you something which can be done on the privilege mode. Just
Okay.
wait. Okay. So we type enable password
Mm.
and we type a new password, for example, Cisco.
Okay.
Again, Cisco. Well, we need to be more secure. If we want to be secure, we need to some different password other than this. But because now we are just testing, we can use Cisco. So now this is configured.
Okay, enable password Cisco.
Cisco. Okay.
Okay.
Now
Okay.
let's test it. Control Z, exit,
Mm.
enter. The first password, login password.
Cisco.
Now we type enable, or we can type en as well. Another password,
Okay.
Cisco, and we are in the privilege mode.
Okay.
So privilege mode is very powerful mode, just I said.
Mm.
What we can do in privilege mode, we set the date time. Okay, date
Yes.
time is very a crucial thing.
Yes.
Okay, we can also use this keyword delete. Okay, this keyword works on the privilege mode. It doesn't work on the global mode.
Okay.
So if someone has access to this privilege mode,
They
they
can delete.
can delete whatever they like. Means they can delete the flash. Whole
Mm.
iOS gone.
Okay.
Okay. Then there is another another keyword we can use here is erase.
Erase.
Erase. What erase is going to do? Completely erase the memory.
Oh, configuration, everything is erased.
Yes. So what is going to happen that every configuration, the every content in the configuration memory is going to be erased.
Mm.
And startup config is the name of the memory where our configuration is saved.
Okay.
Okay. So the saved configuration is known as startup config in Cisco, and
Okay.
the current configuration is known as running config.
Running con.
Running config means if I want to check the startup config, that what is currently saved. Okay, I type show startup dash config. Okay, I don't need to type complete. What I can use?
Data.
Show start, and I can type tab
Oh,
because start means that startup config. There
okay.
is
Only
nothing,
one.
no other keyword is similar to
Perfect.
that.
Okay.
So show startup config. It is showing me there is no startup config right now present. Why?
Not present. We erased.
No, we never erased. I just show you that we can erase, but I never type enter here.
Oh.
Okay,
Mm.
because we haven't saved anything yet.
Oh. The
We
previous.
are we are configuring things. We configure the message of the day, we change the name, we assign the passwords.
Okay.
We are
That all in
all
running
these,
memory.
yes, this all is happening in running configuration.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, nothing is saved in the startup configuration. How can we save this in startup configuration? Means if right now my device got restart, okay, I
Okay.
do this all and someone, sorry, this is switch, and someone came here and plug out the switch and then again plug in. Or if the device is, if the switch go restarted, what is going to happen? Every configuration is going to be reset.
Okay.
because because I haven't saved that, I haven't copied that from running config to startup config. Running config is RAM and startup config is in NVRAM.
NVRAM.
Okay,
Okay.
we learned the memories NVRAM and RAM.
Yes,
So
yes.
usually what is going to happen that if we save the configuration, it is going to be saved in the NVRAM,
NVRAM.
non-volatile RAM.
Yes.
Okay, so it is
Okay.
non-volatile RAM, so it doesn't have any impact on of electricity. Now how can we save that? There are multiple options. And remember, this all is happening on the privilege mode.
Okay. All this in privilege mode.
Yeah,
Save.
we are in the privilege mode and doing all these things. We don't need to go to global configuration mode. So privilege mode is kind of also a administrator mode. Means you can do things to manage your device.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now what we are going to do, we are going to type copy, and after copy, and this copy is also working on privilege mode.
Oh.
So first we are going to uh, tell the copy from. Okay, we can copy from running config to startup config to startup config to running config to running config to FTP or flash or wherever we like. Copy source to destination.
Source to destination. Okay.
So our source is running config
Uh,
and our destination is startup config.
config. Yes.
Means what is currently configured, the banner, the host name, the passwords,
Password.
everything is going to be copied in the startup config.
Startup config.
So
Okay.
if the device get restarted, it is going to check the startup config and bring everything back to the running config.
Okay.
Okay. So this copy command can be used for this purpose. But copy command is a generalized command. So we have a specialized command for this purpose as well.
Oh.
And this command is write memory.
Write memory.
Okay. We can just type write as well. And we can just type WR as well. Because WR means write. And after write, there is only one keyword which is directly going to work is memory.
Oh, write to any memory. Okay.
So if we are configuring something, so what we will do that we configure and just type WR, it is going to save from running config to startup config.
Okay. It is a shortcut.
Yeah, this is a shortcut kind of thing. Just like this. I type WR, building configuration, okay. Now if I check show startup config, so now this configuration is here.
Okay.
Last time it said that no startup config present because
Yes.
we haven't saved the configuration. So it is going this show that this is version, the host name we changed is Cisco. But interested thing is the password.
It is showing.
It is showing the password, enable password Cisco, as well as here line console 0. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. That password too.
The banner we configured.
Everything is there.
Okay. So everything is present, but password is show on the display.
Yes.
But means it is currently saving this password in simple plain text. So if someone has access to my configuration file, they can see every password.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So and is it possible that anyone can see my configuration file or anyone can have my configuration file? How is it possible?
By using the password, we can enter the configuration.
By default, only people who are authorized can uh, uh, get access to this privilege mode.
Yeah,
And if you get access to the privilege mode, then you
it is
can
easy.
type show startup config.
Ah,
Okay, but
okay.
that's not how this works in real world.
Oh,
What we do in real world,
ah,
we copy this startup config and keep it in our flash, in our USB, even in our drives.
oh,
Okay, why? Because if something happens to this configuration, we
ah,
should have the backup.
okay. So
Because
everything we should.
because we don't know what is configured, and we can't do every configuration uh, on the go.
Ah,
So in real world, what is uh, what is the practice? The
ah,
practice is to save this configuration
ah,
at many locations.
okay.
And this is just means I can just select this all and copy it,
Ah,
and I can paste in a text file,
ah,
notepad file.
okay. Yeah.
Okay,
In our
so
PC, yeah.
if someone sees that not notepad file,
Ah,
they are going to
get
get
this.
the password.
Yes.
Okay, so this
Okay.
is a problem, and we are
Ah,
going to solve it.
okay. So,
First, yeah,
can we copy this all without selecting and that just writing the command copy start? Um,
yeah, we can do that.
okay, okay.
But this is that, for example, we can do startup config
Um,
and copy it to the any other location,
yes.
for example, Flash,
Um,
and give it a file name as well.
okay.
So we have multiple options. Even
Um,
in real world, the devices, the switches and routers, new devices,
um,
fairly new. I don't say that every very new, means
um,
8 to 10 years old devices have USB ports as well.
oh,
So you can attach the USB
USB
and
and
you
copy.
can use this copy command.
Ah,
You will see the USB in here
here.
in the
Okay, okay.
list.
Okay. This flash is our computer memory.
Hard disk type memory.
Okay, okay. Hard
Okay.
disk.
Even in new devices, we have SSDs
SSD, yes.
and NVMe's.
Ah,
Okay. So
okay.
what was I telling you? Yeah, the passwords. Okay. So
SSD.
for the this password,
Mm,
enable password, we have
mm,
another option. We used enable
mm,
password keyword
okay.
last time. We can use enable
Mm.
secret keyword as well.
Okay.
Okay.
Ah,
So
ah.
secret is going to store the password in encrypted form.
Encrypted form, yes.
Okay. So
Okay.
enable secret, for example, what we use Cisco. But if we try to use Cisco again, it is going to show the error.
Oh,
So we need to use Cisco one,
ah,
the change it.
ah,
Now we changed it, and now we go back to the privilege mode, type disable user mode, again type enable.
ah.
Now it's going asking password. This
Password.
time Cisco one is going to work
Okay.
because this is the
Ah,
latest password.
latest password, yes.
So Cisco one is working.
Ah,
And if I check show startup config,
ah,
in startup config, I don't see enable secret line.
ah.
Why?
Oh, it is encrypted.
No. Because it is in the, sorry, show. Because it is in the running config. We haven't saved this in the startup config, right? We didn't press WR.
WR, okay.
Okay. If we copy this running config into startup config, then the changes are going to appear there.
Okay.
Now it is showing in this type of encrypted form, the
Okay.
secret one.
Ah,
But the plain password is still in the plain text format.
that login password.
That no, enable password. The login password is here, console password, because we log in through the console port. Okay, it is still here.
Okay.
Now what we are going to do, we are going to hide these passwords as well.
Okay.
Conf t, and we are going to type the keyword service password encryption.
Oh.
This command, service password encryption, is the command which encrypt all the password
Okay.
in the running config.
Oh, every password.
Every password in the running config means when I type service password encryption,
Ah,
what it does, it goes to the running config, and in the running config, encrypted this one and encrypted this one as well.
Okay.
But this is encryption. Okay.
Okay.
And we see that the same is here and the same is here. Cisco is converted to the same random combination. Okay, if we check show startup config. So in the startup config, right now things are same. Got my point?
In the startup config, it is not encrypted yet.
Exactly.
But we gave service.
Password encryption command. So what it does, it encrypted all the password in running config.
Okay,
So
only.
we have to again save this to the startup config. So, okay.
That
So
service
every time we change something, we need to enforce that change from running config to startup config.
Okay, that change also should be in the start, otherwise it won't reflect there.
Exactly. Okay, we need to type the WR, then it is going to be change in the startup config.
Okay. Sir, now we see that it is not, we forgot to say, if in case we forgot to say, we can we go back and write the command there at the back?
What happened if you forget the login? Sorry, exit and exit. Okay, you forgot the password. Okay, so you can't even log in. How can you change the configuration? Okay, but there is a method, the reset method, by which we can reset the passwords.
Okay.
But that method is not as simple as that. Okay, we need to uh, boot the device in a specific mode.
Okay.
You remember we discussed about the modes earlier, which were during the troubleshooting, that if the error occurs, how can we troubleshoot that?
Yes, sir, I remember that.
Yeah.
During booting.
Yeah, during booting, if some error occurs, then we have a few methods.
Yeah.
Okay. So what is going to happen that we need to uh, forcefully
Ah,
make device to boot um, in this mode, ROM monitor mode.
okay.
Okay, so what
Okay.
we do, we change the we forcefully boot device in this ROM monitor mode,
Mm.
and then from ROM monitor mode we change the configuration register value and
Okay.
boot device from this mini iOS,
Ah,
because in that mini iOS nothing is changed.
ah,
So it will going to show the same configuration, which is the default configuration. Then
okay.
we can change the passwords and came back, restart the device in normal boot mode.
Ah,
Okay, so I'll show you how it is going to work. That
okay.
is part of our course as well, that
Okay.
how can we reset. But it is possible to reset.
Ah,
Even in some switches, there is a reset button as well,
ah, ah.
but through which all the configuration is going to reset.
Ah, reset, not just
So
the password.
just password, okay?
Ah,
So just resetting the password, you need to use the ROM monitor mode.
okay.
So it is possible. So what have we done till now? Okay, let's see this. Um, where is the, yeah. So we discussed. Yeah, here we go. So we haven't discussed ARP yet, but we discussed this.
Ah,
User
system.
mode, this is the prompt.
Ah,
Next mode, to go to next mode, enable.
ah,
To previous mode or logout exit,
exit.
you can just use show commands.
Ah, ah,
Even those are 80%, no configuration can be done.
ah,
Privilege mode, this is the prompt which
ah,
is going to display.
yes.
To going to next mode, we need configure
Configure
terminal
terminal.
or just conf t
You
can work.
config.
And to go to previous mode, we need to type
Disable.
disable. Disable is and exit to log out.
Okay.
So if we type disable, disable is going to take us to user mode. If
Ah,
we type exit, we are going to log out.
log out.
We
Okay.
can use 100% show commands, means
So
every
come.
configuration,
Ah,
and we can uh, do a little bit configuration.
ah.
We saw that we can change date, time, erase, delete, these type of
Erase.
keywords working here.
Yes, yes.
Then we have global mode.
Hmm.
Prompt is config hash.
Hash. Ah,
There is no next mode.
okay.
And to previous mode, we can use exit and control Z.
Control C.
Both will going to take us to privilege mode.
Okay.
100% show commands,
Ah,
but we need to type do show.
ah.
Okay. Right
Oh,
now, what we are doing,
what is the
that for
show?
example, yeah, only show means if I am here,
Ah,
okay, I type show clock.
ah.
It is
It
going to
will.
show me the clock.
Ah,
But if I am in the global mode and
20.
I
Ah,
type show clock,
ah.
it doesn't
Value.
understand. Okay.
Okay, okay.
I can forcefully
Do show.
use the
Ah,
show command by using do show, but it is
okay.
not a good practice.
Ah,
Even I do not follow this, and it is not means you can do this,
ah,
but usually what you do that you use configuration mode for configuration
ah.
and privilege mode to check the configuration.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
but
Ah,
do show is a option we can use,
ah,
and we can use every configuration here because
ah.
this is the final boss mode.
Yes.
And these the basic configuration we does till now. We set the date time. Okay, here it is about router,
Ah,
and
okay,
we
okay.
perform on the
On the
switch.
switch.
So we can configure router, switch. These basic commands are same
Ah,
for router and switch
okay,
both.
okay. Ah,
So we said we change the date time, the host name, the
ah,
login banner,
yeah.
the basic passwords,
Ah,
and we encrypt passwords by
okay.
using service password encryption.
Ah,
So you can practice it in Packet
okay.
Tracer.
It is head office config.
Yeah, the host name. I just changed the router
Ah,
name to
okay.
head office.
Okay, okay.
Here,
Ah,
host name head
his
office.
name is head office. Ah, yes,
Okay.
sir.
So this
Ah,
is just a host name. You can change it to whatever you like.
ah,
Okay. Now
okay.
this is the command we need to discuss, but this command is more to be discussed on the router.
Okay.
So we basically uh, we basically connected the switch.
Ah,
So there is a reason I
ah,
use the switch.
ah,
Now what I'm going to do, I am going to connect
PC.
uh, two more PCs with
Okay.
the switch.
Sir, how we delete if we don't need one PC, then just click and delete. Will it go?
This one is. We select this and then delete whatever we like. This
Oh,
icon. Otherwise, we can select,
ah,
and if it is selected, you can type delete, and it is going to delete.
ah.
But more convenient in the start is this one, this key. Okay,
Okay,
this
top.
is to select.
Okay, sir. Where was it?
Yeah,
Oh,
here it is.
that
Delete.
by space. Ah,
Okay, so
okay.
you click on this and delete anything you like.
Okay.
Now we need to connect. So now we need to connect the PCs to the switches. There
Okay.
is a connection automatic. It is for convenient. Means you pick this connection and just connect the cables to the switch. It will
Ah,
automatically detect the type of port and connect the appropriate cable.
ah,
Okay, we use console.
okay.
So now we need to connect these PCs to for data mm, communication purpose. So
Okay.
for data communication purpose, not for the management purpose.
Ah,
Okay, so console is for management purpose.
okay.
So we can use straight cable or crossover
Ah,
or fiber or serial
ah,
or coaxial. There
yes.
are multiple options.
Ah,
Okay, but
okay.
in LAN network,
Ah,
if you want to connect PC to a switch, you
ah,
need a straight cable.
okay.
Okay, difference between straight and crossover. These two are uh, same type of cables,
Ah,
differently, what should I say? Differently paired.
ah.
Let me,
Like twisted pair.
yeah, pair configuration is change.
Oh,
Straight cable versus
ah,
crossover. Images, no, it
okay.
is not clear.
Ah,
This one should be clear. Okay. In
ah,
straight cable,
ah.
what the color coding used on the one side,
Ah,
the same is used on the other
others.
side.
Ah,
But in crossover cable,
ah.
orange and green are interchanged. Means if this
Orange.
side orange
Ah,
is, sorry, green is connected on port 1 and 2, then
ah.
other side it is connected on 3 and 6.
Okay.
So 1, 2, goes to 3.6 and 3.6 goes to 1.2.
Okay.
So it is known as crossover cable.
Hmm.
So what is the reason behind? Uh, so straight cable is used between different devices. Different devices means that if one side is a switch and one side is a PC, we use a straight cable.
Straight cable. Okay.
If one side is a PC, one side is a router, we use cross cable.
So one side is
Why? Yeah, why I said that one side is a PC and one side is a router.
router.
We use cross cable,
Oh.
although they are different devices.
Ah.
So I contradict my statement
Yes. Yeah.
as soon as it can be. Okay, so why I did this? Because the concept that straight cable used between different devices, there is an important keyword missed. The keyword is layer.
Layer.
Okay, so a straight cable used between different layer devices. Mean if you connect a layer 2 device with a layer 3 device, so then you are going to use a straight cable.
Straight cable.
Okay, but router and PC both are layer 3 devices.
Layer 3 device.
Okay, a PC is a layer 7 device which supports layer 3 as well. Okay, so what happens, because for example this side is a switch and this side is a PC. So switch has sending ports, for example 1 and 2, receiving are 4 and 6. Sorry, 3 and 6.
Okay.
In LAN cable, we usually have 4 pairs. Orange, green, blue, and brown. Yeah. I think this one is
Green.
green. Why they prefer green? Orange is the first pair usually. Not usually, it is a standard.
Oh.
Let us see this one. Okay, orange is the
First one.
first pair. Okay,
Okay.
means if we see everywhere, orange is the first pair. No, here it is green. Here it is orange. 568B, the standard. Basically, this standard is normally followed, or I follow this one. Well, orange and green, they both are used for data communication purpose. One is for sending, one is for receiving.
Receiving.
Blue
Orange
and
and green.
brown, yeah, orange and green. Blue and brown are just for the support here.
Okay.
Or now they are using, they have been using in PoE. PoE is power over Ethernet.
Power over Ethernet.
Let me show you PoE, power over Ethernet. Okay, so what PoE is? PoE is uh, technology through which we take the power from the switch which is supported PoE. Okay, usually it is used for the IP cameras.
Okay.
So on the same cable, the same cable we use for the data communication as well as power.
Okay.
And there are just, for example, IP phones. Okay, so what we need to do that we just plug in this cable from switch to IP phone, and IP phone is going to get the power from switch. We don't need to install electrical cables throughout the office for IP phones or for IP cameras.
Okay.
So that is how PoE switches work. Okay, so nowadays these two pairs, the blue and brown, they are used for PoE, power over Ethernet.
Power over Ethernet.
Okay, so through power over Ethernet, IP camera, IP phone, and other kind of devices which use low power uh, can uh, take power from the switch. But there are switches, PoE switches, which are differently made to provide power. Not every switch can provide power.
Okay.
Okay, not every switch has PoE supported. So there is a special kind of switches which are PoE supported, and those switches needed to be used if you want to utilize the power from the switch. So here we are talking about this. So
Yes.
green and orange are the pair which are used for data communication.
Communication.
Got it?
This is in a single wire, no?
Yeah, it is or they are all in a single wire.
Single wire. But whenever the purpose arises, they use it on their own.
Yeah.
Or should we need to configure it to? No.
Basically, this is the standard. We should to configure using this standard. We can configure however we like, unless we use the same colors. For example, I start from blue. Okay, so I use blue, dotted blue, green, dotted green, orange, dotted orange, brown, dotted brown. Then I have to use the same color coding on the other side.
Other side.
If I change the color combination, it is not going to work. So
Okay.
why standard follows? Standard are followed because uh, basically these standard are not made, means the green and orange or for data communication. They just not declare them for data communication because they like them. Okay, there is a reason. The reason behind it, let me show you. The reason is uh, because these are twisted pair cables. The cable is known as twisted pair.
Twisted pair.
Okay, twisted pair Ethernet cable.
Okay.
Now the correct images are going to show. Twisted pair Ethernet cable. This is like,
Okay, sir.
okay. So if we rip off the shielding, top shielding, we will see that these type of pairs inside. Blue, green, orange, brown.
Yes.
Okay. So
Okay.
they are twisted inside.
Yes.
This twisting is also has a standard. Means if you see that I guess if I can get yeah, this one is quite no. I want a cable which is more in this here. Okay, let's see here. This brown pair has 1, 2, 3 twists. But this green pair, it is green or orange?
Green.
Okay, basically I am colorblind, but I somehow recognize the colors. Okay, so this green pair has more twists.
Okay.
So this twisting is also a standard, and it affects on the communication. Okay, so orange and green are more means green is very heavily twisted, brown is light twisted. So if you use brown for the communication, this twisting is going to affect the communication. And how it is going to affect the communication? You are a BTech student. You should know this.
The signal should pass more twist and the resistance.
Electromagnetic conduction. Remember, there is an electromagnetic force, electromagnetic, what we say, shield created when the current passed through. So these twists, the blue and brown are basically used to uh, um, cancel the electromagnetic electromagnetic shield created in these pairs.
Oh.
Okay,
Okay.
so that's why the means this cable and these pairs and these twisting, everything has a standard.
Okay.
And these standards, if we follow these standards, then we can get the best performance.
Okay.
Otherwise, the performance is going to down.
Down.
Means, for example, if a straight cable, uh, Cat 5 or Cat 6 cable support 100-meter length. So it is going to support 100-meter length only when we configure in this manner, following the color coding. If it doesn't follow the color coding on both ends, it is not going to support the 100-meter.
Okay.
Okay, the signals are going to drop earlier.
Oh.
So now I hope this cable type of discussion is getting you
Yes, sir.
understand what is happening inside the cable. Okay, so we have pairs green and orange dedicated for sending or receiving the data.
Data.
Means communication.
Yeah.
So what happened that if pair green is used for sending, then other side it is going to be receiving side. Hello. Yeah.
We are sending through green one.
If I use if because if it is used for sending, then the other side it is going to be receiving side.
The other, if you are sending data from one port to another, then other is the
Exactly.
receiving
Means
port.
if there is a PC which is sending the data from this cable, so if there is a switch, it is going to receive from here,
Receiving. Yeah.
and from 3 and 6 it is going to send, and the PC is going to receive here. So the
Yes.
sending and receiving ports are interchanged in different devices.
Okay.
Means switch use port number 1, 2 for example, sending.
Sending.
Then PC use port number 1 or 2 for receiving.
Receiving. Okay.
Okay, they are interchanged. But if you use crossover cable, so if the switch is used here and the switch is used here, okay, so if switch is sending green through green pair, obviously it is going to receive to this 3 and 6 port,
3 and 6.
because 1 and 2 are used for sending. So we make cross cable. So the sending pair goes to the receiving ports, and this here the receiving goes to the sending ports of this one. Okay, so that's why we say that same devices have straight cables and different devices have crossover cable. Okay. Now I hope this is, if we are talking about Ethernet so much, let me bring back this thing. This thing. The evolution of Ethernet. Okay. So Ethernet technology, Ethernet cable, Ethernet LAN cards. Basically, Ethernet is developed for LAN networks. So Ethernet technology was established in 1983. Okay, the first standard 802.3. Okay, 802.3 is IEEE standard number which is used for this. If you search to this number, you can get all the information about it. Okay, so the first it support maximum 10 Mbps of data transmission. Okay, then the second upgrade came in 1995, and the speed goes from 10 to 100 Mbps.
Yes.
After that, next change came at 1998,
And
and 100 goes to 1
1
GB.
Gbps.
Okay. Then
Okay.
in 2002, we goes from 1 GB to 10 GB.
10 GB.
After that, in 2010, 40, 100 GB.
100 GB.
2016, uh, 25 GB.
It reduced.
Oh, sorry, 2016. Yeah, 2.5 GB EPS, 5 GB and 25 GB. Uh, wait. There is a difference.
Mm.
Okay, it is for CAT cables, copper cables. Okay. Then
Okay.
2017, 200, 400 GB, and 2021 and beyond. Now we have in TBs, even 10 TBps. Okay.
Yeah.
Means we can transmit data at the speed of TBps,
TBP.
terabytes. Okay.
Okay.
So why I'm showing this? Basically, it takes 1983 to 1995, 12 years to go from 10 MB to 100 MB. Then it take us 3 years, 95 to 98 to 1 GB. 3 more years and 1 GB to 10 GB.
10 GB.
Okay. And
Okay.
8 more years and 200 GB. Means the starting evolution was very slow. And after that, it is uh, very fast. Why? What could be the reason?
I see. The technology.
Yeah, technology. What happened to the technology that suddenly the data rate, the speed of transmission and receiving data got so much higher?
This optical fiber. I know that.
Exactly. The optical fiber cable.
Okay.
Okay. The optical fiber cable came in 95, 96.
Okay.
So as soon as optical fiber cable
Mm.
uh, came in the market and it is developed,
Mm.
after that speed is not a what we should say concern or issue. Okay.
Okay.
That the issue is that we can create a device which can process the data in that process that fast. Okay.
Okay.
So that is the reason, and that is why I discussed this. Now
Okay.
let's get back to the topic.
Okay.
We have already distracted too much. Control V. No. What is that? Okay, just V. Now, what have we discussed till now?
And configuring in.
Yeah, we were configuring the switch. And what is the time we have to discuss this now. For
Okay.
this, I need to go back to the packet tracer.
Okay.
Where is my packet tracer? Here it is. Okay, now we are going to connect this. So we are using straight cable. There we lost our track. Fast
Yes.
Ethernet 01 and
Yes.
Fast Ethernet 0, because this PC has Fast Ethernet port,
Okay.
and we use a straight cable because we are connected different devices. If we want
Different
to
level.
connect direct PC to PC,
Ah,
then we will use cross cable.
cross cables.
Fast
Cross
Ethernet
cable.
to, yeah,
Cross cable signal is that.
cross cable is the same cable, but the pair 1, 2, and 3, 6 are interchanged.
Here the symbol is this one.
Yeah, this one. This is the universal symbol for cross cable.
Cross cables. Okay.
And here we connected fast Ethernet 03 to fast Ethernet 0. So now we have
Sir, see, that cable number, mean the port number is.
yeah,
Ah,
the switch port number 01, port number 02, port number 03.
03.
And this is the port number of
The
Ethernet
big.
card PC FA0 FA0 fast Ethernet.
Okay.
FA stands for fast Ethernet. Fast Ethernet is 100 Mbps connection.
Okay.
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 So now what we need to make these users communicate with each other, we need addresses. So for now, I am at just assigning the address 10001 to this user PC. This become 10002 and this is going to become 10003. Okay, I use the shortcut. Basically, you can use this icon, place note. I use the shortcut N. Okay, for example, I want to name these pieces. I use N and type this is going to be PC1. Okay, this is just a note. Okay, this is not the configuration. This is just a note to remember that what I am going to configure on these PCs.
Okay.
So PC1 is going to get IP address 10001. PC2 is going to get IP address 10002.
Okay.
And PC3 is going to get IP address 10003. Now I click on the PC. In the config tab, I say that this is PC3. Okay, so the name will change PC3.
Okay.
IP configuration. IP configuration is 10.0.3. Subnet mask auto assigned. We don't need to discuss right now about this. Okay, we are going to discuss it in very detail.
Okay, sir. IP address, I have studied about it, but I don't know more.
DSCP. We are going to discuss this in detail. Okay.
Okay.
So we have assigned the static IP 10003 as we noted here for this PC, PC3. Now we close it. Now we come to PC2. The name is already PC2. Desktop IP configuration 10.0.0.2. Subnet mask. Close it. There is no save button option or anything. You just type, it is already saved. Now we come to this PC. This name is PC1. Desktop, we don't need the terminal right now. We need to change the IP configuration. We type the IP 10.0.0.1 subnet mask and it is done. Now we have assigned the IP addresses.
Okay.
What if I try to ping 10.0.0.1 to 10.0.0.3? We can use command prompt for that and type ping. But I am not going to do this before. I am going to show something else, the power of packet tracer.
Okay.
So packet tracer has two modes, a real-time mode and a simulation mode. Okay. We have currently selected the real-time mode, which is default.
Okay.
Now I am switching to the simulation mode. As soon as I switch to the simulation mode, a simulation panel shows up, pop up. Okay. And there it is showing me list of filters. I said show none, edit filter, and I need only ICMP messages and ARP messages right now for today's. Okay, so it is going to show me these two protocols here. Okay, the all other protocols are not necessary for us right now. So I limited this panel to show me only these two protocols.
Okay.
What are these protocols we are going to discuss right now?
Okay.
So now I come to 10.0.0.1 and type ping 10.0.0.3. Enter. Here, what is happening? As soon as type 10, ping 10.0.0.3, two messages are generated.
Oh.
Okay. When I play this button, then these messages are going to be sent ahead. But before we see that how these messages are going ahead, we need to check right now what is the status of these messages. Okay. So both of the messages uh, are of different protocol. One is ICMP and one is ARP. ARP. Okay.
Okay.
What is ICMP? ICMP is the main protocol which allow us to use this ping.
Oh.
Okay. Means if I am trying to ping a user, and what does ping does? Means what the ping does? It sends a dummy data to this IP address. And in ping reply, this user is going to send a dummy data to me.
Okay.
And when this dummy data received, we both know that our communication is okay. Means we can have a data communication established properly.
Okay.
Okay. So now what is happening behind the scene? So ICMP is for this purpose, ping.
Ping.
ICMP protocol is used for ping. Any
Okay.
confusion here?
No, sir. Because ICMP checks whether that other PC is in the network.
No. Let me clear it. Yeah, ICMP do this, but ICMP is not as just simple. For now, you can uh, remember this interpretation as well. ICMP is a complete protocol which has the ping tool, trace route tool, means all tools which are necessary or which can uh, check the communication, end-to-end communication between two devices.
Okay.
Okay,
Everything.
so yeah, every communication happening, uh, if we want to uh, uh, means every communication uh, testing. Okay,
If it is
tools
possible.
are supported by ICMP.
Okay, sir.
So in ICMP protocol, it is written that how this this ping is going to work, what length of dummy data is to be sent, and if how it is received, and if it is not received, what error to be shown to the on the display. Everything is written in the ICMP protocol. So ping is a utility of ICMP protocol. Okay. So what we are doing, we are trying to communicate from 10.0.0.1 to 10.0.0.3. So what it does, it creates a message. PC1 creates a message on layer 3. And on layer 3, it writes that my IP address, source IP is 10.0.0.1 and the destination IP is 10.0.0.3. And it is a ICMP message, type 8. Okay.
Okay.
But if we see layer 2 is empty, if I know the layer 3 address, but if I don't know the layer 2 address, I can't send message.
Okay.
Okay. You can think of like it. For example, you want to send a letter to some company CEO. You know the company name, but you don't know the CEO name. Okay. So you can't send the message. You know the company name. but you don't know the name of the CEO or the manager concerned, whoever the person you need to send the letter. You don't know the name, so you can't uh, uh, send the letter. What you are going to do?
I will search for the name.
Search for the
Find
name.
out.
Exactly. You will try to find out the name.
Yeah.
You can call the company and ask them to tell the name of the CEO or whoever you want to send the letter. Or you can search on the Google. Means there you need to find it.
Yes.
So what happens in the real communication? When we try to communicate with any device whose IP address is known, means when I type ping 10003, means I know the IP address of that device.
Yes.
And I provide that IP address to my PC that you need to ping or you need to send the message to 10003. So my PC knows that, okay, my IP is 10001 and I need to send the message to the destination IP 10003.
Yeah.
But I don't know the MAC address of that PC. So its layer 2 is empty.
Yes.
So what it does, it holds the ICMP message and create a new message, which is ARP. Okay. ARP is Address Resolution Protocol. And what ARP does, ARP get the MAC address against IP address.
Okay.
Okay. So here it is. In ARP, and it is a layer 2 protocol. So it is written that this one, 0002.173C, this is a source address. And this one, FFFF, is the destination MAC address. Now, I said that it doesn't know the destination MAC address. How it write FFFF? So FFFF is a broadcast MAC address.
Okay.
Getting my point?
Broadcast MAC address
Means that this message is a broadcast message.
Okay.
Means this FFFF is not assigned to any device particularly. This address is dedicated for broadcast message.
Okay.
So if a user attach its MAC address as a source MAC address and as a destination MAC address, it uses FFFF and this message goes to any device, then this device understand that if the destination is FFFF, then this is a broadcast message.
Okay.
Okay. This all F represents a broadcast message.
Okay.
And now it is attaching other information, our packet source IP 10001 and destination IP 10003. Means it is searching for 10003. This makes sense?
Yes, sir. It is asking for MAC address of 10003.
Exactly. That's why it is broadcasting this message.
Okay.
Because it doesn't know that who is 10003.
So it sends the message to everyone asking.
To everyone. Everyone asking if you are 10003, reply me back.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
So right now our main message, which was the ICMP ping, is on hold. And PC saw that it has a layer 3 address, destination layer 3 address of the destination, but it doesn't have layer 2 address, the MAC address. So it uses ARP protocol to find the MAC address. So every time we are going to ping or communicate with a new device, which we don't know earlier, what our PC does, it sends an ARP message to find that device MAC address.
Address.
Okay, so now we play, we see that the ARP message comes to the switch. Okay, and in the switch, same is written. That source MAC address is 0002173C. This one is 0002173C, obviously, and it is looking it and it is sending a broadcast message which is looking for 10003. Okay, now what switch is going to do?
Like broadcast.
So it sends to both PC3 and PC2.
Okay.
And here we see PC2 discarded because it is 10002.
Okay.
And PC3 replied because it is 10003. And what it is replied?
It's MAC address.
It's MAC address 0060. It's MAC address. Reply to 0002. This one. Source IP 10003. Destination 10001.
Okay.
And we see that this time switch doesn't broadcast it. Why?
Yeah, it
The
was
MAC
not
address is written. And
Not
also
the
we discussed earlier that switches are layer 2 device. They remember the MAC address or learn the MAC address through a message received. So
yes.
the first message PC1 send, it send its MAC address 0002.
Yeah.
So what switch does? It write this in its, here it is, you can see. The port number 3 has this, sorry, this is not, we need to check it through this command.
Okay.
What was the password? Cisco enable Cisco 1 show MAC address table dynamic. Okay, we are asking switch that show us your MAC address table. What have you learned so far? So see,
Okay.
it learned that on port number 3, it is the MAC address is 0002. On port number 1, this one is port number 1. Here MAC address is 0060. Okay, even it it learns this MAC address as well.
Oh, but it didn't send back.
Yeah, for us, we didn't send a message, but there is a communication going on between the devices through other protocols as well. By default. By default, when you connect a user, it started some communication which is not intended by the user, but the device itself initiated it by default.
Yes.
Okay, so that's how switch learn. Means now switch knows that on which port which MAC address is.
Yes. Each MAC address of the port PC.
Yeah, each MAC address of the PC on each port. Okay, so what switch does here? It is now unicasting the message. Previously, it was a broadcast because that was a broadcast message that was intended to be broadcast. The destination MAC address was written FFFF.
Yes.
Okay, but this time this is a unicast message going from 0060 to 0002.
Yes.
Okay, let me write it. It is 0060 and this one is 0002. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now the PC received this message and ARP is completed. Now what PC started? ICMP. And this time in the ICMP, PC knows the MAC address. And when this ICMP message is going to reach to the PC3, it is going to respond.
Yes.
Okay. I want to check. Yeah, here it is. So on layer 3, source IP 10.0.0.1, destination IP 10.0.0.3. When the message is in, okay, when the PC3 receive the message.
Yes.
So source IP 10.0.0.1, destination IP 10.0.0.3, source MAC 0002, destination MAC 0060. And when it replied out, okay, out layers, when PC3 replied to the PC1, then it changed source IP to 10.0.0.3
Yes.
because it is replying now.
Yes.
And destination is 10.0.0.1, reply to 10.0.0.1.
Okay.
Source MAC address 0060 and destination 0002.
Okay.
So message is reversed. When it received the message from 10.0.0.1, it sends it back to 10.0.0.1.
Yes.
Similarly, the MAC address role is reversed. Source and destination. Okay, this makes sense.
Yes, sir.
Now we see that if it is completed, here we see that we have a reply from 10.0.0.3. And how many bytes of dummy data sent? 32.
32.
Okay, so just a small 32 bytes sent data sent and the 32 bytes sent data receive is mean that data communication is available. And how much time it takes? 8 milliseconds.
Okay.
Okay, and this TTL is something else. We are going to discuss this later.
Okay.
Right now, it is going to make things complex. Okay, this is important. Time. So if we want to check how our internet is working, for example, I want to check right now how my internet is working. So I come to CMD. I type ping 8.8.8.8. Basically, 888 is a Google DNS server. So I am pinging Google's server and I am getting time here 18 ms and something like that. Okay, if it is in hundreds, it means it's very slow. If it is in 50 and 60 ms or 70 ms means it's fairly slow, but 18 ms is a good one.
Good.
Okay, similarly, the lower the time means you have faster the internet. Okay, and
Okay.
a simple 32 byte data is enough to test. Hopefully this makes sense.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the basic things we need to remember for our communication. Means this is first time we configure something and we actually get inside to it, that what is happening inside this
Yes.
communication.
Yeah.
Okay, so now let me bring back the topic. So here we have ARP, Address Resolution Protocol, to resolve MAC address against IP address. Message type is broadcast. Layer 3 protocol, destination broadcast MAC FFFF. And yeah, PC1 ARP table. We haven't seen the ARP table right now. So let's check the ARP table as well. Now I am going to the real time and I am here. Basically, if I will in simulation, it is going to wait and I check ARP-A. So ARP-A is the command through which I can see all the ARPs my PC has done so far.
Okay.
So what my PC did, it did an ARP for 10.0.0.3 and found its MAC address.
MAC address.
Okay. Right now it doesn't know about 10.0.0.2 because I haven't sent any data for 10.0.0.2.
2.
So if I ping 10.0.0.2, what's going to happen? ARP,
Message is sending to
ARP table is updated.
data.
Okay.
Okay.
And what is going to happen if
I see.
I want to check 10.0.0.2 ARP table? It knows 10.0.0.1 because only 10.0.0.1 just communicated with him,
Yes.
but 10.0.0.3 doesn't. Okay. So
Okay.
when any user communicate with any user in LAN, so if they don't know the MAC address, the ARP is going to work for them and resolve the MAC address and get the MAC address of the against the IP address, and then only then the packet is going to send. Means if I am going to send a data, I need IP address and MAC address both before sending the data
Okay.
of the destination device. Okay.
Okay.
In LAN. It's all about LAN right now.
Okay.
Okay. Let's get back to this notes. So PC1 ARP table just like this, and PC2 ARP table just like this, and we saw the switch MAC table that it remember, and this is all just like that. Ping 10.0.0.2. The layer 3 is like will be like this: source IP, destination IP, source MAC, destination MAC. If destination MAC, how it gets the destination MAC? ARP, and ARP is going to find the MAC. So ARP reply, through ARP reply, I got the MAC address of PC2.
Yes.
Okay. It is this is not completed yet because in this diagram we have a router as well.
Router.
Okay. So tomorrow we are going to attach the router and again perform this so the concept stick in your mind, and you understand that how ARP works with the switches and routers.
Yes.
Okay. Because it is a very important, this is the first thing our systems or our devices does, ARP. So ARP is a very basic protocol which needs to be remembered, and there are many attacks ARP has attached with. Means ARP, by using ARP, there are many malicious activities and attacks are available because it is a broadcast. So there are ARP spoofing, ARP snooping, rogue ARP messages. There are multiple kind of attacks at, with the ARP protocol.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
This is only now we are discussing only the LAN connection, no?
Yeah.
Okay, but
When we are going to attach the router, okay, then it will be a different network. We can consider it as a WAN as well.
WAN. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So that's all for today. I hope you are going to install the packet tracer if you haven't,
Yeah, I have
and
download.
start these commands, these basic commands, and at least make this type of the switch and to PC topology and try to check the ARP because it is important. If you
Yes.
are not going to do with your hands, then it is not going to stick in your mind.
Yes.
Okay.
So I will
So
do it,
bye.
sir.
It's
Bye.
all for today.
Okay, sir.
Take care. Bye.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thanks.
Stop.